Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get started guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and as you can see, I have imported a green screen video to this CapCut project, and I'm going to remove the green screen from this video. If we want to do that, first thing first, we can tap on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and we can go to the remove background option right here. And to remove the green screen, we can use the chroma key feature. Okay, then you can click on this color picker, and you can pick the green color. Wait. Okay, just select the green color like this, and you can increase the intensity, okay, like this, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the green screen has been removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove green screen in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.